Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Elite Shade Umbrella Base is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your outdoor living space, ensuring your patio umbrella stands tall and stable against the elements, providing reliable shade and comfort for all your al fresco dining and relaxation needs. Number 5. Best Choice Products Fillable Umbrella Base Stand. Introducing the ultimate solution for securing your patio umbrella. This base offers versatile stability for your outdoor relaxation. You can easily fill it with up to 55 pounds of sand or 19 liters of water for maximum stability. When empty, it's lightweight and portable. Crafted from rugged HDPE plastic, this stand is built to last for years. It also features a sturdy steel pole tube to hold your umbrella securely. Designed to accommodate most 6 to 10 foot umbrellas, the steel pipe fits pole diameters from 1.5 to 1.9 inches, ensuring a wide range of compatibility. A convenient adjustable knob allows you to tighten the steel pipe, providing optimal strength and stability regardless of your umbrella's pole size. When not in use, simply remove the steel tube for a slim design. This makes it easy to store in compact spaces during off-seasons. What we like. This base offers great flexibility with its fillable design, allowing you to customize the weight up to 55 pounds. If you're looking for a versatile option that can be easily moved and adjusted for different umbrella pole sizes, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and adaptable solution for their patio. What people say. This umbrella base is very sturdy and heavy, which keeps my umbrella from tipping over even in windy conditions. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly with my patio decor. It was also easy to assemble. I love that the base has wheels, making it easy to move the umbrella around the patio as needed. Number 4. Best Choice Products Cantilever Umbrella Base. Crafted from rugged HDPE plastic, this base is built to last. It features UV protection to resist cracking and degradation, ensuring long-term use. This base offers broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with offset umbrellas featuring a cross base up to 11 inches, or standard market umbrellas. Once emptied, the integrated carrying handles make relocation a breeze. Move it from your patio to the lawn or wherever you need it. Interlocking plates and included hooks ensure your umbrella stays upright, even in strong winds. This prevents tipping and protects your investment. Fill the panels with approximately 160 pounds of sand or 115 pounds of water for maximum stability. Easy fill spouts make the process simple. Enjoy peace of mind with this robust and reliable umbrella base. Its thoughtful design ensures your outdoor space remains secure and stylish. What we like. With its 4 interlocking plates and a substantial 160-pound fill capacity, this base provides exceptional stability, especially for cantilever umbrellas. If you need to secure a larger offset umbrella against strong winds and appreciate the convenience of built-in carry handles for repositioning, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for those prioritizing maximum stability and ease of movement. What people say. The Elite Shade Umbrella Base is made of heavy-duty plastic and can hold up to 100 pounds of sand or water, providing excellent stability for your umbrella. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to move and store, and the adjustable knob ensures a secure fit for most umbrella poles. The base features a built-in handle for convenient carrying, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Number 3. Grand Patio 11-foot Cantilever Umbrella. Introducing our stylish outdoor umbrella, featuring a unique curved pole and easy-to-use crank. Its canopy is built to withstand water and UV rays, while the durable aluminum pole resists rust. This large offset umbrella offers 95 square feet of cooling shade. Our autolock system lets you easily adjust the tilt to follow the sun, keeping you comfortable all day. Move it with ease thanks to the built-in wheels. For maximum stability, the base can be filled with sand and water. Remember to close it in bad weather for safety. Enjoy exceptional stability even on windy days. It boasts 8 heavy-duty steel ribs designed to keep it secure and upright. Assembly is straightforward and takes about 30 minutes with the included tools and instructions. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This option stands out with its integrated wheels, making it incredibly easy to move your large umbrella around your patio or garden. If you appreciate the convenience of repositioning your shade without heavy lifting and need a substantial weight capacity of up to 374 pounds for a large cantilever umbrella, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want both mobility and robust stability. What people say. The Elite Shade Umbrella Base is a sturdy and well-built product that provides excellent stability for my patio umbrella. I appreciate the durable construction of the base, which has held up well against strong winds and various weather conditions. The design is sleek and modern, complementing my outdoor decor perfectly. It's also easy to move around the patio when needed. Number 2. Outdoor Umbrella Stand W Easy Rolling Base, Bronze. Tired of struggling to move your umbrella? This stand features 4 wheels, allowing you to effortlessly transport your shade across any surface without heavy lifting. Enjoy cool shade wherever you desire. This heavy-duty base supports umbrellas weighing up to 125 pounds and accommodates various pole sizes. It provides a secure and stable foundation for your outdoor shade. Crafted from durable, maintenance-free high-density resin, this stand is built to last. It is designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance for your outdoor enjoyment. Its universal commercial design makes it perfect for patios, decks, and poolside areas. The hidden wheels offer a clean and aesthetically pleasing appearance. The smooth rolling wheel system includes 2 locking mechanisms for easy and secure positioning. A patented wheel enclosure design ensures safety while rolling. Available in multiple colors with a sleek, modern design, it complements any outdoor setting. The non-marking wheels protect your surfaces while adding to its aesthetic appeal. What we like. The standout feature here is the effortless mobility provided by its smooth rolling wheel system and hidden wheel design, allowing you to move your umbrella anywhere without heavy lifting. If you prioritize easy transport across various surfaces and need a durable, aesthetically pleasing base with a 125 pounds capacity, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for those who frequently rearrange their outdoor space or need to move the umbrella to follow the sun. What people say. The umbrella base is very sturdy and heavy, which keeps the umbrella from tipping over even in windy conditions. The base is designed to hold a standard 50 mm umbrella pole, and it fits securely. It was easy to assemble and looks great on my patio. Number 1. Best Choice Products 10 by 10 foot Cantilever Patio Umbrella. This umbrella features a sturdy, 4-piece base that can be filled with sand or water. This ensures it stays firmly in place, providing reliable shade. Enjoy a generous 100 square feet of shaded space, perfect for entertaining guests outdoors. It offers ample protection from the sun for your entire group. Easily adjust the shade to your liking. You can rotate it a full 360 degrees with the pedal and select from 100 preset canopy angles for optimal coverage. Enjoy your outdoor space even after sunset with 33 built-in solar-powered LED lights. They provide a comfortable ambience for 4 to 5 hours on a full charge. Crafted from durable polyester, this umbrella is built to withstand the elements. The integrated wind vent allows for airflow, enhancing stability and keeping you cool. This large offset hanging umbrella provides a complete solution for your patio, deck, or poolside. It includes a stand and a canopy cover for added convenience. What we like. This umbrella base comes with a fantastic integrated feature, solar-powered LED lights, perfect for extending your outdoor enjoyment into the evening. If you're looking for a complete package that offers not only a large shaded area and 360-degree rotation but also ambient lighting for your deck or backyard, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for creating a magical atmosphere for evening gatherings. What people say. It is very sturdy and heavy, which is exactly what I needed for my umbrella. It holds it perfectly in place, even on windy days. The base is well made and looks great with my patio furniture. It's a solid piece that doesn't feel cheap at all. I love how easy it was to assemble. I just screwed in the pole, and it was ready to go. It's also very stable and doesn't wobble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.